Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the chapter drainage. The chapter is very useful for class 9, 11 as for if you are preparing for UPSC, BPSC, JPSC or any other service commission. So let's see what we are going to discuss in this chapter. The first we are going to discuss about drainage. What are the different type of drainage? The three major Himalayan river, that is Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So that definitely we will cover all those things in this part, and on the next part we are going to discuss about the Peninsula River. So the first thing, what is drainage? You might have the question that what is drainage and why we are calling it drainage. So a flow of water through well-defined channel is known as drainage. So might be you think that if I am coming with a bucket and throwing the water from that, will it be called drainage? No, definitely not. Just because the path that the water that will coming from the bucket will make, it will be different always. It will be not predefined, as well as the source not will be predefined. Okay, so the drainage pattern is depends upon the time period, nature, structure of rock, topography, etc. So whatever the total drainage, if you are familiar with the Indian map, that here it is Bay of Bengal, here Arabian Sea. So the two ways that we are talking about, so almost 77% water is almost 77% of the drainage area consisting of the major river like as Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Krishna, and they are coming to Bay of Bengal. Rest or remaining 23% water is carried by Indus, Narmada, Tapi, Mahi and other rivers, and they are coming to Arabian Sea. Okay, go through these 2 points, you would understand it easily. So now we are talking about what are the different types of drainage. So the two different types of drainage, first is that Himalayan drainage and peninsular drainage. If you are a class 9 or class 11 student, the question could be of 3 marks. So what is the difference between Himalayan and peninsular drainage? So the first we are going to discuss about the Himalayan river system. So most of the Himalayan river are perennial. What is the meaning of perennial? That those rivers that are having the water throughout the year. It will not have impact too much by the rain. However, some river will be there that will be having impact, but the water will be not less during the month of summer. Okay, so they definitely they will get water from the rain as well as from the, you can say that snow that will be melt. Suppose that any mountain is there, so whatever the snow that is going to melt, it will also have the source. So the two major Himalayan river system, Indus and Brahmaputra, originate from the north of the Himalayan range. We are going to discuss there on the next slides. And they perform intensely erosional activities. Why? Just because when a mountain is suppose that coming from the high areas, so definitely they will erode a lot of soil, they will erode a lot of, you can say that rocks, just because the intensity of water, or you can say that the speed of water will be too much. So the next is peninsular drainage. They are seasonal and flow during the rainy season. During the dry season, what happen? They will reduce flow of water. So simply you can say that if there will be good rain, then you will find out the enough water. If there will be less rain, or even in the month of summer, many river will be there that the water will be dry. So they will have shallower and shorter in compare of Himalayan river. So the next we are going to discuss about the Indus river system. This a very important river. Why? You are familiar that the name India has been come from this word Indus. It is entering to the Ladakh. Major tributaries are Jaskar, Nubra, Sok, Hunja. Okay, they are entering into the Kashmir region. Indus flows through Baltistans, or you can say the Balchistans and Gilgit, and they are coming to Pakistan definitely. So the major tributaries, you can see that this is the major river system Indus. Some here Jhelum, Chenab, Rabi, and Satluj is there. Bees is also there, that is there. On the next we are going to discuss about that. So they all those are merging to the Indus, and they are coming to the Arabian Sea. These major tributaries makes a large coastline of water to Indus, and they are coming to Arabian Sea. So the total length is, it is by mistake, it is, just understand the total length of this one is 2900 kilometer. It is one of the longest river of the world. The state that it covers is Jammu Kashmir, now it is Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, and Punjab, and then it comes to Pakistan. The major tributaries we have already discussed is Satluj, having a very long path and then meeting to Pakistan. Bees is also there, Chenab, and these rivers make the word, all those five rivers come to Pakistan, Punjab, and from these five rivers Punjab got the name Punjab. Okay, so among the five river, Bees is the only river that originates in India and merges to India only. Okay, remaining the four, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, are, you can say that, originating from India and they are going to Pakistan. So that's it about that Indus. Now we are going to discuss about Ganga river system. Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalaya. We'll discuss also. Let's see first the path of Ganga. You will find out here Ram Ganga, then Ganga it is merging to Yamuna, and at Allahabad now it is the name Prayagraj, and then it is coming to Hooghly as in Bengal and Padma in Bangladesh, and then later it merging to Brahmaputra. You can see the way, and then it is coming to Bay of Bengal. So Ganga originate from Gangotri as the name Bhagirathi. It has many tributaries in Uttarakhand. Mandakini, Alaknanda is the major one. Dhauli Ganga, you can say that Pindar Ganga, Nandakini, Atkan Prayag, these all river are Atkan Prayag, these all river are coming, and after at the place Dev Prayag, Bhagirathi is merging with Alaknanda and it is called Ganga. Major tributary of Ganga is Kosi, Gandak, Agra. They causes they causes flood in almost every year, particularly in Bihar. Chambal, Betwa, Son are also the major tributaries in some areas. After coming to West Bengal, it divides near Farakka and then it is called as Hooghly, and one area is coming to Bangladesh. So in Bangladesh, it is joined to the Brahmaputra where it is called, and at a place Bengal, it forms a delta that is called Sundarban Delta. It is very famous delta, making it as a home for royal tigers. The next river that we are going to discuss is the Brahmaputra. This river has different name when it originates at Yarlung Zangpo, that is called Sangpo. Then it is coming to Arunachal Pradesh at the hill that is called Namcha Barwa here in Arunachal Pradesh, then takes U-turn and covers a major areas of Assam. In Arunachal Pradesh areas and Assam areas, it is also called as Dehang. When it comes to Bangladesh, it is called Jamuna. Yeah, it covers a large distance, you can see, and then before coming to Bangladesh. So during the rainy season, the river overflows banks just because it covers a large area of the hilly areas where the water is rain, or you can say that water sources is very or too much, so it causes flood in Assam and Bangladesh, and it flows into the Bay of Bengal and deposit a lot of silt. So that is for the drainage system for this part. On the next video we are going to discuss about the peninsular river. You might have a question that why I have using this word save the earth start with you. Just I'm making a habit. So we are always talking about save earth, water is very less. What you will do, I'll just advise that whenever there is no need of electric appliances, just switch it off. That is the major thing that you are doing for saving earth. Thank you very much for watching this videos. If you are having any question, any doubt, go through this and ask question over the comment box. You are welcome over any suggestions also, and whatever the next topic that you are looking for, also comment. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.